What's up guys? This is Brent with 24/7 Parts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the John Deere MowerPlus Smart Connector on the John Deere X300 series. So installing this wiring harness and connector is a super easy process, something that most anybody can do, and everything basically here is going to be without tools. The first thing we need to do is reach up, and you're going to see this wiring harness that goes right to the back of our display monitor here, and we are first going to unclip that just like that and get it out of the way. Then we're going to take this harness and go back in with the male end of this harness that also has our connector for our Bluetooth transmitter here. This end is going to go back into the back of this display. We're going to pop that in, and then we have our main wiring harness here that we just took out of the display, and this is going to go back in to our new harness. And then off of this end here is going to go our Bluetooth transmitter. Now, once we get that all together, next thing that we need to do is go ahead and check and make sure that everything is working. And then if it is as simple as that, as getting it installed, but we need to get this harness and this connector up and out of the way. So you'll notice here that on this harness, we have a couple of things here. We have a couple of clips like this and this here. And then we also have these clips here on the bottom, which is going to give you some options for up underneath here so that you can kind of choose what fits best. So if we were bending this wiring harness, getting it up and out of the way, we may be able to use these clips in a couple of different places here. Maybe get our Bluetooth transmitter back here by the battery. We can also disconnect these hookups here and then be able to bend and twist and get our harness up and out of the way. Maybe we want to go up this way and start clamping that to the existing harness and then go back in and reconnect. But essentially that's all it takes to hook up the MowerPlus Smart Connector. Like I said, making sure and unplugging here from the back, plugging back into our harness here, taking our new harness going into the back, and then of course connecting our smart connector. So this is very easily just a plug and play system, and I hope that this video helped you out. If it did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also guys, if you're looking for any other parts, make sure to go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.